Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going through some more of the stamping plates that Miss Becky sent me. Once again, I'm not doing this to show off or anything. I just want to throw that out there real quick. What I'm doing this for is for y'all to see the plates, see the images on them, and if you see something you're really interested in and you want to see me do a manicure with it, you know, give me a shout out down in the comments. That's how this is going to work. So, we've got some of these Bee Loves plates, and they're awesome. I don't know that, if I have any in my collection, it's because she has sent me some before. So, and this one is dirty. This is not clean, and this over here is not clean. I'm not going to clean these plates just to show them. I'm just going to real quick show them. Now, the thing about the Bee Love plates is it does have something on the back, but they're still relatively sharp on the sides. So, if you get these, be careful. Or if you have these, be careful. I don't even know if Bee Love plates is still doing. I will see if I can find any info and leave a link down below. And this, well, goodness gracious. This one is Bee Love plates B06, classy and chic. Get it together, Tina. And then Bee Love plates B03, Heart Mind Blown. And that's a bunch of like abstract stuff. Very cool. And then we have B08 Feather Fever. Yes, makes sense. Feathers everywhere. Lots and lots of different feathers. There we go. Maybe we can do it like that. Big feathers in the middle. Very neat. Very neat. Bee Love plates B04, Leaves of Happiness. Lots and lots of leaves. This one plate right here would set you up. You would have all the leaf images you would want. Oh, but then there's more. We have Uber Chic, and this one is a lot of leaves too. It's a very, very neat plate. I love that. Very cool. It's got another tree. You got like snowfall. Very nice. So that's Uber Chic Lovely Leaves. And then we're going to head on into Uber Chic, and I can't read this one. Hold on. Plate 1-02. So this one's 1-02. Love, y'all know, I love these roses now. Very nice plate. Beautiful flowers on it. Got the peacock, a butterfly. Such a nice plate. That's gorgeous. Love, love, love it. Okay, now we're going to get into the Ejubis plates. And this is the henna style on the side. Excuse me. Very nice, very nice. One thing I love about the Ejubis plates is if you're a newbie, these plates are etched perfect. They're etched deep. And what I mean by that being perfect is you got time to get your paint on there, scrape, and then get it pulled up and move to your nail before the paint dries because they hold so much of that stamping polish. I'm in love with that right there. I'm staring at it. Having a love affair, y'all. This is a great plate. But this is the other side. Get through this. Come on, Tina. Let's go, let's go. And this is Ejubis plus 3140 Baby Girl. And next we have, let's find, this is Ejubis and Opal Hazlet. She was one of the first people I started watching on YouTube. I don't really watch much more, but nothing against her, and we didn't have no falling out or nothing. But I love all the Celtic stuff on this plate. That is just awesome. And that, with the swirls, y'all know. Y'all know. And I really like that it has the images on the side that kind of work with the other images. So let's look at the other side. You've got like a big pharaoh. Oh, and the horse, and the warrior. Oh, that's so cool. Wow, this down here is nice too. Beautiful plate. Alright, so next we've got EJB X01, and it looks like the Flower Spring plate. Sorry, I don't mean to be wigging y'all out with that flip-flopping. This one's really cool. Wow, I love that heart with the little bird in it. And the two birds. Oh. And then, of course, the cool designs on the side. And then let's flip over and get a gander at these. Got a bunch of flowers and leaves and petals and stems to where you could kind of create your own. See down here? You've got all these, like, leaves and, oh, you could just go crazy with that. Okay, next up we've got Ejubis plus Sarah R1. Another stinking fabulous plate. Beautiful butterflies, all kinds of different, and I love the little dragonfly. Love anything with flowers. The bird cage is so cute. I'm going to have to shrink that. And then on the other side, we've got all these like patterns with flowers and some beautiful birds. Oh, that's nice. That's really, really nice. Okay. Next dip we've got, this is Ejubis plus at Fran Mendez G. I don't know. I didn't know. I'm sorry. You know, I don't. Good way. I love this. This one's cool, and that one's calling me too. I like those two. Alright. Oh, down to the bottom. And then flip it over, and we've got gems and all kinds of little signs. Oh, this is a really busy plate. You got butterflies down here with circles, and I mean, very, very busy. These kind of look like buildings with lights on and off, and oh, that's neat. It's very busy. Next up, we've got the same name, but there's different images. So they must have done a twofer with them. So we're going to start up here. We've got some kind of clockwork stuff, steampunk looking. But we've got all kinds of stuff on this plate. There's just all kind of abstracts and stars and illusional looking images. Flip it over. And then over here we've got, I want to travel around the world. So you've got all kinds of stuff on here. You've got a hot air balloon and these beautiful cats, a handprint, you know, the Eiffel Tower. Oh, wow. Just so much going on. Oh, and look, you turn the plate. Look at that. Oh, that's just so cool. I love this. This is neat. Alrighty. Moving along, we've got Ejubis, EJB05. Very tribal looking. Got the snakes on it for you people that... Oh, and the eagles and the eyes. Oh, it's a neat plate. It's pretty cool. Flip it over. Oh, yeah. Got all kinds of stuff on this buffet plate with the cat. Very, very cool. I love this. That's just neat. Alright, next. Let's see what this is. Okay, Ejubis, EJB X03. So this looks like fruit and stuff. Chill for the summer. It's a summer chillin' plate. Got pineapples, little pineapples down here. Pears, peppers, ice creams, mixed drinks, cherries. You can do lemons, limes, oranges. Very neat. You got a big pineapple pear. That's kind of different. And then we're going to flip it over, and, yeah, I told y'all that, so 3. Sorry. Yeah, I'm so sorry. And it got all these words, you know, hello, fresh, mix, relax, delicious, tasty, but you got all the fruit, and I like that. That's neat. Got all kinds of fruit. Got the bananas, and the grapes, This is really cool. Alright, we got 3 more. Okay, EJB02. Lots of like lacy floral flowers and stuff. That's really nice. I like that texture on that one. HAB02, we're going to flip you over. Wonders of Life. Yeah, this whole plate's screaming my name. All the swirly twirlies, it's just, that's the thing I go for. Alrighty, and then Ijubis EJBX02. Oh, this one's beautiful. I've got other palm trees, but I don't have anything that's got like the land and the shimmers and the starfish, and dolphins and a heart, and oh, that big seahorse. Got an owl and some shells, more shells. Oh, that fish is cool. Wow, look at that. Very neat. Got your mermaid sitting on a rock. Alright, other side. Oh, Lord, that's just too much. The big goldfish. I might just have to paint that on my forehead because I love that whole image. And I love that you've got the little crab and all these different seashells and stuff. And the mermaid. And the boat. That's just a really nice one. Alright, last one. And this is Ijubis plus DD Don Deason. I can't read it. Don Devon. Da Vinci? I don't know. I have no idea, y'all. But it's got, like, unicorns and cats and ice creams and diamonds. Lots of horsies. Got a little clock. That's cute. Alright, let me show you. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, flipping it over. Got some cats and teddy bears and ducks. Diva. So it must be Don Diva. Sorry, y'all. I was having troubles. And these stars are different. I like that because that looks like the way we drew them when we were kids. And a little penguin. Oh, that owl is adorable. Paw prints. So, yep. There we go. So that is the I guess medium-sized plates. We've got some more this size, you know, to do some CC and Sissy ones, but I'm going to break this up and not just carry on too long and make these forever long. So that is it for these today. I hope you enjoyed this. Anything that I find links for, I'll try to remember to put down in the description box. But that is it for me today. So until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.